What's up everyone, I'm Rohan from TechieTechTech and today we bring you what is a very late unboxing of the OnePlus 8 Pro. Now, this is the OnePlus 8 Pro in Ultramarine Blue and this is the box that the box shipped in. Anyway, we won't waste a lot of time on that. Let's rip it apart. Okay. Some tape there just ruined our ideas. Anyway, we have the invoice here and here is the phone. So as you can see, this is pretty similar packaging to the OnePlus 8 and actually there's no mention of the Pro moniker on the front or on either of the sides except here. We have the Indian retail unit in Ultramarine Blue and looks like we have a tab to pull through the plastic. Now this is the phone that was launched around 2 months ago, but owing to the global lockdown and the whole mess around the coronavirus pandemic, our unboxing got delayed and even more delayed. Anyway, as soon as we take off the lid, we have the phone itself along with OnePlus's Never Settle moniker. Okay, looks like a last minute packaging rush over there. From first impressions, this is actually a very deep shade of blue and it certainly feels lighter and more compact in the hand compared to OnePlus's 2019 flagship, the OnePlus 7 Pro. Anyway, as it boots up, let's keep it to the side and dig through the accessories. We have a pull tab here. Yeah. So we have OnePlus's new Never Settle TPU case. This is actually a pretty nice case. The Never Settle is embossed on the TPU and not just printed, so it does have kind of a premium feeling and certainly does not feel like a cheap temporary case. Then we have the fast charging brick along with the red USB to Type-C cable. Anyway, digging through here, it looks like we have some paperwork and our SIM pin just fell somewhere around here. We have a red cable club card. This was the card's leaflet, I assume. Some regulatory information, some stickers, a quick start guide, and there's an invitation letter which you can read through. Anyway, keeping all of this aside, this is actually narrower than the OnePlus 7 Pro. It has this quad camera setup on the back and I have to tell you the Ultramarine Blue, it actually looks really good in real life. It's a very deep shade of blue, deeper than the nebula blue we saw with the OnePlus 7 last year, and it definitely is a looker. We have a few comparisons over here. First of all, let's compare it to its own little sibling, the OnePlus 8, and this is the OnePlus 8 in the green color option, and as you can see they are pretty much the same size, although in my experience the OnePlus 8 feels a lot lighter in hand compared to the 8 Pro. Let us also bring in last year's, probably my favorite Android phone from last year, the OnePlus 7 Pro, and this one is definitely significantly heavier than both these phones. Also, it does not have a top camera cutout like both these phones do. As you might remember, this has that mechanical pop-out camera which I believe gives it its weight. Anyway, for a last comparison, let us also bring in the OnePlus 7T, or shall I say the insanely popular OnePlus 7T, because everywhere I go I've seen a ton of these phones and it just doesn't seem to die. We have the OnePlus 7T in the silver color option, and this is the only one of the current OnePlus lineup which has a flat display and a top notch cutout. This is also pretty narrow and feels pretty good in the hand, and to be honest with you, one of the complaints that I've had with the OnePlus 7 Pro was how unwieldy it is in using day to day. Now, it hasn't been a lot of time since I've used the OnePlus 8 Pro, but from what I can tell, it's already more manageable and definitely more suited for single-handed usage. Anyway, this has been it, guys. We'll bring out our full review and our detailed camera review and some more videos on the OnePlus 8 Pro. So do subscribe for that. Until then, I'm Rohan from TechieTechTech, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.